And then you're nice and centered on the thing you were trying to drill out. Hey guys, today's Dale's Tool of the Day video is on these vortex bit or vortex tipped bits.
Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Dale's Tool of the Day.
You can see that they're pretty cool. They kind of are like a step bit on the end of this drill bit here. And I bought a set that has, you know, all the different sizes by 64ths. And they come in these pretty cool little things with the cap you just screw on. Keeps them from getting lost and whatnot. Anyhow, I had a set of these. And you know, they're pretty expensive, so I was keeping them for myself to keep them from the employees so that they didn't just chowder them right out the gate, and then I go to use them and they're toast. So I was keeping them to be my special drill bits, and I lost them. I couldn't find them, so I went and bought another set of these, and I'm like, you know, these are cool enough that I should show you guys a little video on these because you might not know about them. So with that little step bit thing on the end, if you got a hole that's just a little bit undersized and you got to drill it bigger, oh, it's nice because it's pretty selfish, you know. It's self-centered. Anyhow, so it lines itself up and makes a pretty good hole. Let me kick her down to slow speed here. And then you're nice and centered on the thing you were trying to drill out. Anyhow, that's just these simple vortex point drill bits. They're like beautiful thing about a step bit, only, you know, actually sharp and whatnot. Now, the drawback to these would be is if they get dull, it's going to be a real bugger to try and sharpen them. In fact, you'd probably just turn it into a regular drill bit if you try to sharpen it, I'd imagine. But there's always that, you know. So they're a little expensive. They're not probably for everybody, but if you do a lot of metal fabrication, they've been pretty cool and handy. All right, well, that's been Dale's Tool of the Day. Remember, me and Jesus love you. Talk to you later.